Welcome to Week 2 Space Events. February 16th, Mercury reaches greatest western elongation of 26 degrees at about 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For early morning rises on February 19th, you have another great alignment of those really big prominent planets, Venus, Mars, and Mercury, which sometimes isn't that visible. 45 minutes before sunrise, so it's gonna be the early morning dawn sky, just next to the constellation Sagittarius. Make sure you're looking southeast. Bodes galaxy is visible this week. It'll be on February 18th. It's also known as M81. It's a massive spiral galaxy with the catalog name of NGC 3031. It's in the constellation Ursa Major, and it's gonna be visible in the northern hemisphere only. So, sorry, southern hemisphere. With a magnitude of 6.9, you're not going to be able to see it with the unaided eye, so make sure you get some binoculars or a telescope. It begins rising at about 7:02 p.m. local time and then sits really low on your northern horizon, about 35 degrees. So it might be kind of tough to see if you're not elevated, so wait until it reaches its highest point at 12:32 a.m. local time, climbing to an altitude of 54 degrees above your northern horizon. For space history, Pluto was discovered on February 18th in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. Then on February 18th in 1977, the Space Shuttle Enterprise completed its first test flight on a Boeing 747 shuttle carrier aircraft. It's pretty cool that this is how it used to actually be brought around, especially to the museum in which it now resides in New York City at the Intrepid. I used to volunteer there. We have a birthday this week. Nicolas Copernicus was born on February 19th in 1473, and then John Glenn became the first American to orbit the Earth on February 20th in 1962. The moon phase this week is the full moon on February 16th at approximately 11:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A couple announcements this week on Space Talk, which is my podcast. I have two special guests. Starting on Wednesday is going to be with Powell, a science writer and journalist, and has worked with Discovery Magazine and Bill Nye. He actually hosts a podcast with him. He has two new incredible publications that'll be coming out. So if you want to learn all about him and his writings, tune in on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Time on Space Talk. And then on Friday, I am bringing on Cheyenne Smith, also known as the Black Space Girl here on Instagram. And she is doing something really incredible, something called a mobile observatory. If you want to learn about what a mobile observatory is and why she's building one, tune into this Friday's episode of Space Talk at 3 p.m. Central Time on the Callin app.